Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Avalanche. A sell signal could be spotted in the market. I'm seeing it on the chart. I'm going to show you all what I'm talking about real quick. But before I do, hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my information. I am simply here to give us a lead amongst everyone else so that we can be in position to profit from the price moves before the market. So let's go ahead and get started in our price prediction for Avalanche. You guys can see that we don't have one on our chart right now. We've been expecting the price to continue to go down because that has been the trend ever since the high in December, mid-December, when the price was around $54 to $56, and it's been a slow and even at times abrupt movement lower. So just imagine if you purchased Avalanche just a couple of months ago in December, right? You bought it around $56, and now that same investment in Avalanche is now only worth, let's go to the close. It's not only worth 55%. Like, you saw a reduction in your position in Avalanche of 55%. Now, I know many of you who have purchased Avalanche at the top of that area may be wondering, man, when will we see the price go up in Avalanche? Well, not to be the bearer of bad news, but I mean, we keep it real on this channel. It doesn't look like it's going to happen anytime soon. We are still seeing Avalanche trend to the downside. It's a very intact downtrend into the market in Avalanche, and the sell signal that I'm talking about is literally us seeing the buyer's inability to break price. So let's go ahead and create these pockets of selling here in the market in Avalanche, and we cannot anticipate higher prices until we see Avalanche break these two pockets. That is the sell signal. Okay, that is the market that's telling us, hey, I'm not looking for the market to go up. I'm not convinced that price in Avalanche is ready to go higher. The market is telling us that by one, its inability to break these pockets to the upside, these sell pockets, and then two, we did not receive any follow through from this massive buying opportunity that occurred on February the 3rd. You see that? It'll be one thing if we saw price in Avalanche capitalize off of this buying on February the 3rd, but as you can tell from the price action, Avalanche is still going lower. That is telling us that the demand is not here yet. So maybe the market in Avalanche is going to test this buy pocket down here again, or at least the low that occurred on February the 3rd. Okay, now let's look at Avalanche on the 2 real quick. So here's Avalanche on the 2. Market doesn't look too bullish here neither. It is giving us a probable precursor of strength on a 2-day time frame right now. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Avalanche on the 4. Here's Avalanche on the 5. Definitely still seeing weakness on the 5. This 5-day bar price went down. Buyers came through on the next 5, but we're still seeing no sellers in the market. Price is still going lower. So we need to try to see, where is this area, where are these buyers at right here? Because there's some buyers right there that is keeping Avalanche propped up from going lower. We need to figure out where that is and then say, all right, cool, that area is going to be the last factor that will tell us if Avalanche is going to continue to go lower. So let's look at Avalanche real quick on the 5-hour chart. Okay, so you guys can see right there, we just seen it right here. This area right there is where the buyers are at. Okay, so we need to create, let's see if we can see that a little bit lower. Yep, right there. Okay, so if we were to zoom in closer to this area, that's where the buyers are. So this area is going to be important for us to know if Avalanche is going to continue to go up or down. Okay, the buyers came and bought on this 5-hour bar. Okay, back on the 2nd of February, price has been very slow to coming back down to that pocket, and then boom, what did the market do? It bounced, or at least it's trying to. So now that is we need to see that follow through. We need to see these buyers continue to lift the market up, at least to the point to where we can see them break this sell pocket, right? Or might get rejected, try to come back up, break it again, then ultimately try to break up to the upside. That is the process that we need to see. Here is Avalanche on the 1 hour. So all of these 1 hour bars, you guys can tell that the market buyers were buying. You might be saying, well, how would you know that? Well, it's real easy. It's because price didn't fall. Every time price came to a certain level, or every time market came to a certain level, what did it do? It stopped. Only buyers can do that, especially if price is trending down. Here's Avalanche on the 330. So yeah, we could definitely see some small movement to the upside, at least in the short term. Okay, I'm not overly bullish on the long-term chart for Avalanche, but if you know how to play this on the short term, you could definitely profit from the market move up. Maybe get 5, maybe 6%, maybe all the way up there to our sell pocket. Because looking at the price action in Avalanche on the 3 weeks, like, don't get it twisted. This price is still weak. Avalanche on the 5 weeks. Let's not get it twisted. This market here in Avalanche is still weak. So that's why I was telling you, if you were to play this market move on a short-term basis, I mean, ride it to the upside, but understand that the trip may not be that long. Okay? It may not be that long. So I'm not truly convinced that the market is finished with lower prices in the long term, but I will be looking for the price to go higher in Avalanche in the short term, but it may not be even worth us dropping a price prediction. Okay, so I'm just going to verbally say what I think the market in Avalanche is about to do. I'm not going to put on a price prediction again, but that is what I would be predicting. Just to give you two different viewpoints of what I think the market's going to do, both long term and short term. All right, so let me keep it right there. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.